ready, move-in
Yeah,
ready.
a move-in ready package. Okay. So in addition to the items that I mentioned, okay, you're going to get a washer and dryer. You're going to get 2-inch white faux wood mini blinds, and you're going to get a garage door opener. So the stainless steel fridge, I do want to mention this. It's a side-by-side stainless steel fridge with a water and ice in the door dispenser. Okay. So that is now what's new and included this year. Okay. The HOAs, here's what's really cool. Yes, they're $175 a month, pretty actually on the low end for townhomes. It's going to include your exterior insurance for the townhome, weekly trash service, snow removal, and exterior and common maintenance area. Okay. Now, why is this such a great deal, and why is it important? The builder and the lender have teamed up to offer a 3.75% fixed rate for 30 years. So not these 2-1 buy downs that are pretty popular right now, but you're going to be locked in at 3.75%. So Bill, if you wouldn't mind kind of going off of that and talking on your side of things on why that's huge right now.
Well, yeah, I mean, at the recording of this video, depending upon the day, rates are anywhere in the mid 7s to, low 8s, depending upon if you're paying points or what have you. And obviously, with everybody's dollar going a little bit less, farther than it has been because of this inflationary environment that we're in, trying to get payments back in line and help the premier family of our customers manage their payment is really what we're trying to do, because that's what we find is everybody's number one concern. It's like, how am I going to find housing is something that I need, but how am I going to make this affordable? And so we've really teamed up to put together a program for our FHA and veteran buyers that are, going to own or occupy the home. They're going to live there. This is going to be a place that they're going to call home and be a part of the premier family.